Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little haul I did on Peachy Tree. Last week they had the PRIMA flower pack, and so I got one. It was a good deal. I think you get 10 packs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, and so after shipping and tax or whatever, it was like 17 something. And so I averaged it out to be $1.75 a pack, which is still a good deal. So sorry for the glare, but I got that pack. That pack. Yeah, $1.75 a pack. Because what are they, like $4.99 at Michael's a pack, maybe? And then even with a coupon, they're still like $3. So very good deal. I like the colors. They're like, well, this one is bright. But the last ones, they're like shabby colors. I like the dimension on the flowers. I think this was a good deal. Let me know what you guys think. 2 more packs. So yeah, I like to welcome all my new subbies. We have lots of fun here. We do craft tutorials, crafty shares, hauls, as you can see. I love Disney, so we do Disney stuff. We do giveaways. I appreciate my subbies. Yeah, so if you have questions or comments, leave them down below. I would love for you to like and subscribe to join me on my crafty journey. And until the next video, shakas!